As you know, we started in Chile, in the city of Santiago, where we have a bottler operation owned by Andina. You know that refillables are very important for Coca-Cola, and we have millions of bottles in the market in the countries where we operate. So it is very important for us that we have a good control, a good fleet management of these assets that are in the market. So by serializing the bottles, we are able to understand how many bottles are in the market, how many bottles will need to be replaced, how many bottles we need to add to keep growing on refillables, and all these types of questions. Also, by serializing the bottles, we can understand what is the durability of the bottle, right? How external factors in the filling line, in the market, contribute to improve or to decrease the durability of the bottle. And then we can come up with the good strategies to improve this very important indicator, the durability indicator. And lastly, one of the most important aspects of this project as well is the consumer engagement, because by being able to read the QR code with the cell phone, we created a direct communication channel with each consumer. And through this, we can communicate about recyclability, about returnability, and any kind of marketing communication, commercial promotions, everything. So it's a very important capability that we implemented with the help of Wipotec. Wipotec is with us in Coca-Cola Latin America since the very beginning of this project. By the end of 2018, we developed together a proof of concept to identify the best way of marking the bottle and also to read the bottle in the filling line. So since the beginning, Wipotec participated with Coca-Cola and our bottlers here in Brazil. Everything started in Brazil, and then we moved to Chile for other reasons. But since the beginning, we have Wipotec on our side for that. I think the capabilities that you brought to the project were decisive, right? What I mean is you were able to develop the equipment, the laser equipment that is capable of marking simultaneously 3 QR codes, identical QR codes in each bottle at 3,000 bottles per hour very consistently, right? So this is amazing. This is exactly what we needed, and you accomplished, I would not say very easily, but you delivered the solution for us. It was not easy because it was the first time someone did this type of development, right? So that's why we are on this journey for almost 3 years now. Also, you were able to understand the influence of the resin grade on the quality of the QR code. So the equipment was designed with the flexibility required to adjust the parameters, the marking parameters according to the resin grade, and also according to the bottle size or shape, right? And lastly, also very important, with your help, we were able to develop the QR code structure that complies to the GS1 standard, right? And this enables easy readability by the cell phones and also by any reading equipment in this industry, which is very important for us, right? And makes us very happy. We are happy, and our supplier, bottle supplier, and also our internal stakeholders are very pleased because the consistency of the result is amazing. The quality of the code that is printed in each bottle is outstanding, and also the durability of the code, because it's not possible to remove or to modify this printing, so it goes with the bottle until the end of its life. So it's perfect, right? So very important, very happy.
Yeah.
As the project, the pilot grows, right, and the number of bottles in the market and the results are showing up, we have more bottlers interested, not only in Chile to expand to the whole country, but also in other countries like in Brazil, where we have two bottlers very interested, already working on your proposals, and also in more lately in Guatemala and Colombia. Also, we have two bottlers that are planning to implement the serialization this year. So we are very, very happy with these results. It shows the value that this new capability is bringing to the business. And hopefully we'll have Wipotec also embarking on this journey to increase the number of equipment that we need in the markets to meet our bottlers' plans, right, for this short-term, mid-term future.